like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your loving it totally me, I am so obsessed. I want to chop your